Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Tadzoka nayo nyaya yenyu guys. Muri kumboona here zviri kuitika mumastreets umu. Vakomana for ED, artists for ED, they are all over the place. I don't know, but I sense desperation kuti tasara nemadays mashoma, and everyone is trying to push brand kuti zvifambe zvakanaka. On the 23rd, people are going to go and cast their ballots. But nyaya yangu iri pakuti, is it safe as an artist kubva wagara watotaura kuti ini ndosapota nhingi kana kuti ndoita chakati. Tichikura isu winyu kuti votes were secret, yeah, kuti unosapota bato ripi zvakanga zviri zvemuhana mako. But zvakuitika mazuva ano zvandizivi kuti maybe inyaya yekuti vanhu hama 2000 here kana chi, we don't know. Okay, so today there is a studio that is being run kuchipinge by passionjava, aindana na rickyfire, ivavo vana Holyten, Kiki, like all those artists for ED. Pamusoro pacho paindana Japreza as well, aindawo kunobatsira ikoko. So we don't know where he stands, but today it's all about recording the new artists kuchipinge. And you wonder, why do they always focus on Mashonaland, Manikaland and all rallies there, that side and all? But yeah, anyway, so is it safe for Ava? And I don't know if they've actually signed a 5-year contract, because these are politicians, guys. We're not gonna kungonze. After 7 days you also expire. Who knows? And the fact that they are taking to social media and crushing the followers now, ndo pane problem iripo, because now pane magigs angari ku Canada, pane magigs ari ku Australia, UK, and most of these diaspora communities are suffering, and they are actually saying pamari shoma yavainayo iyoyo vagone kudi kusponsor vakomana vaende kunoimba ikoko. But now they've been cancelled ikoko because of their political affiliation. And okay, so what's gonna happen after the 23rd? Because now Holyten has been elected to be the spokesperson, where artists for ED, achitaura social media, what, I don't know the post, can't go create on my post. And he also replaced the DJ Towers, Panga Famba, Chimbo, Mananyenya, Msangano. So after the 23rd, what's going to happen to these guys? Because kind of I just go social platforms and my followers, my fans are we don't need you because this is all about bread and butter. For the past, I don't know how many years, when these guys were rising to fame, these people were actually their bread and butter. And all of a sudden, we don't need you guys because party napo this time parinani. And so I don't know kuti vakatsika upapa vakomana, but even though vanozoma contracts avapiwa. Okay, you can see, or you actually saw pavakaenda kudhina vakomana vakanopuwa Mirinda. I don't think it's Mirinda, maybe it's real brand. Yeah, real brand, Coca-Cola, vakanomwa vakadya tumacucumber, tumacarrots nezvimwe zvakadaro, and tine rice kunyanya mawings avakafarira. So vakagara patable nevakomana vana Collins naShawn nevamwewo vaivepo ipapapo kuroyal family uko, anditi. So we don't know kuti macontracts avakasaina akamira sei. If you look at the response yazuva, the Ebentete, if you look at Jekingarande, when they also spoke to the people to say, guys, why don't you just do it makanyarara, instead of coming to the social platforms and shades of confuse our masses? People know their own suffering. Vanoziva kuti road yekumusha kwavo haina kumira zvakanaka. Vanoziva exactly what's happening. So you don't have to come and confuse people. People will just choose according to zvavanofila ivo. Anditi vanofamba wane kubedbridge vanozoti bedbridge yadi yanaka, road yekuenda kuHarare yakanaka. However, vanoenda wane kuBulawayo vanozoti paGwanda papa road haisati yamira zvakanaka. So people will just choose according to their own experience. You don't have to come to the social platform, use as an influencer and try to influence people like that. Okay, and also the coming of Vanapeu's Trusi kuno Zimbabwe kwavakauya nana Selomake varatidzwa the beautiful side of Zimbabwe, where they also taken to Paranyatwa mortuary uko kuti vanoona decomposing bodies. Nothing was said about that. Okay, so they went back to South Africa and they spoke about the beauty of Zimbabwe. of what they saw. So if you are to say, Pearl to say, please vote, she will vote for the Second Republic because she saw the good part. What of someone who's deep in Matabeleland, somewhere far, far away, there's no road, no clinic, no school, nothing? Do they have the same experience as Pautus? No. So they are going to vote according to the experience. Okay. So Jackie Ngarande also was bashed for trying to bring out kuti vana Kiki now makudya mari muchiconfuse vanhu but now Kiki also akadzosera akati wewe Ngarande wakambodyawo mari yamutuli ncube yeZANU-PF. And no one said anything, and now that isusu takudyawo mari makuda kutanga kucomplain. Hey, nyaya yacho yakaoma. But anyway guys, people will just do anything to get rid of poverty. Anything, they can do it. So if it means kuti ma-artists are, they are happy, vari kudya zvakanaka one vana vavo nemhuri dzavo, they can go ahead and endorse. If you look at Rickyfire again, totaura nyaya Rickyfire was the first person to endorse Chamisa, Tichamba speaker and all. Yes, it was fine, but also as an artist, I just think kuti you don't have to be politically involved. Whether na Chamisa or na ED, you don't have to be. Why? Because things change. And because Rickyfire and we are Rickyfire for ED. When he was asked, now you are a traitor, he said, no guys, inini wanaonga wanga office in Zara. So it seems kuti kubatira Chamisa uku, people are aspiring for change, but they are not yet there. So they cannot afford to be paying these artists a lot of money. So by the end of the day, vanhu vanoenda kwavanogona kuwana mari iri nani. Hey guys, say okay. So on the other hand, also the Second Republic has done a lot of positive things. If you look at the roads, madama vari kutaura kuti vakavaka and all, they've done quite a lot. And recently vakatenga mota fire brigade, and yes, this also came pachibva patongoitikawo chiitiko chekuti children's home yakatsva. And yes, they lost a lot of property there. So at least now, in case of future fires, then we also have something to go back to. Kunotora mota dzedu todi tonodzima mvura, tonodzima moto, but I'm not sure if the water is there. But yes, they say they are also sinking boreholes, so that part is also catered for. And okay guys, so people are actually desperate. We are counting down to the election. So 23 will go here and people are going to vote. People are going to vote for according to the experiences. Taona tiperi wacho ashinyora achiti guys, this is embarrassing. Kuti kana iri Christmas musi 22, 23, 25 boda reri singafemi vanhu vachimanya kuzodya Christmas rice nemachongwe magukurume iwayo. But now no one is coming. The border is empty actually. No one is going back home to vote. And Team Diaspora also responded to say, what's the point of coming to vote? We are actually here supporting family kuti muone simba rekunovhota muchange chatengwa ne-diaspora community. So guys, they are also trying to raise funds for their families as well. Since they cannot endorse any other party, they cannot endorse any party, they are actually looking for bread and butter. So I think we can just cut them some slack. Yeah, let them be. Tichaona vamwe vari kutaura zvakawanda apo Chamisa, maybe next week anenge kumanya zvekumakoti kana kuti tichaitika, no one knows. But yeah, the tension is getting high. Manabibed Angel are also flying in, or they've actually flown in because today he had a crusade kuchurch kwake. So you can see most of those influential figures are actually there to vote. So guys, ngati kadzirei musi 23 tonoita basa. That will determine our next 5 years. Are we giving the Second Republic a chance? Because they show actually they are actually doing a lot of work. Their parliament in Mount Hampden, a lot of positive things, guys, as you have seen in most, or you've listened to most of my presentation. So you've actually seen, or they've actually displayed. So they also displayed So we don't know, are we buying a dream or are we buying whatever we have seen? Amen, guys.